Hi, my name is Joani Pemberton with Simply Vegas, and I'm going to take you on a tour of this Plan 1 model. We are at the Pointe development up in Summerlin, and we're in actually the Red Pointe part of Summerlin. And this is called the Overlook. Okay, that's the community name, if you will, or the collection name. So this Plan 1 is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. It is 2,722 square feet, and the base price of this home is $1,038,000. So let's take a look around. We're going to start here actually at this lovely patio. It's pavered patio, or I'm going to call it a courtyard, not a patio. And it's actually very lovely. It's kind of halfway fenced in, if you will, has a charming water feature. It's real cute. This roof line over the walkway entrance into the house is kind of interesting too. It's open. We have a nice little pivot door. So when we first walk into this house, it has this lovely tile, nice long planks. I think they're probably 8 inches wide, and I can't tell you how long they are. They're long. When we first walk in, they have a den to the right-hand side of the home when you first walk in the pivot door, and the windows go out to the courtyard. It has a nice clear-story window. It has this beautiful stacked stone, kind of rough stacked stone. And it has recessed lighting, and this den is approximately 10 by 14 and a half. And so this is, again, the open concept. So we're moving right along into the family room. The family room has the same wall where the TV is, that is that rough stacked stone. And this family room, or we're going to call it a great room, is approximately 20 by 23. It has these interesting looking beam ceilings. That's interesting, with the recessed lighting in them. I'm going to start over here. It has this little wet bar. Pretty tile. It's kind of silvery gray. It has quartz countertop. Everything's kind of gray and taupe in this house. Nice white bar sink. Wine refrigerator. There's a GE monogram. And a beverage refrigerator over here. Nice. Good lighting here. Recessed lighting under the bar. This sliding glass window goes out to the patio. And this is a lovely view. I can get into the sliding glass door through the dining area, but let's go out there real quickly. This is beautiful. It's travertine. We'll get here. We'll get to the kitchen and the dining area. Right now, this is a covered patio. This is beautiful, or they're calling it a loggia. 23 by 14. It has this beautiful travertine tile. Isn't this gorgeous? It has a safety glass before you go out to the pool. The pool is exquisite. The pool is PebbleTech. I think it's the dark gray, nearly black PebbleTech pool with the surrounding coping of travertine. Has a great outdoor kitchen to the left. This is locked, I can't go out there. And over to the right of the pool is that little lounge pergola area. And then to the right of that, in the very corner, is the spa. The spa's in ground, but it's risen. Nice job. Not sure who the pool builder was with this, but they certainly did a nice job. And I want to point out something else too. There is a pergola over the outdoor kitchen too, along with the artificial turf. I don't know if you can see it over there. Just a real thoughtful job here. It's kind of, the air isn't clear today, but this has a gorgeous view. There's some view lots that are going to be coming up in 1 month in June. And they're going to be on this street at the end of the street. And I think the view lot is going to start at about $500,000 around that area. But this is gorgeous. Moving along to this dining area. And the dining area is about 15.5 by 14.5. Again, what has the window that we just came through. Triple sliding glass door. Has this the beautiful window that goes out to the patio in the dining area. Isn't that pretty? Lots of light, the windows on the side, and these interesting pendant lights, if you will. They're kind of, I don't know if they're called big pendant lights or hanging lights. That might be a better term. This kitchen has a really interesting island. It is an L-shaped island and half of it is waterfall style over here. It's really pretty, it's quartz. We have the monogram appliances, white sink. This is really pretty and modern looking. Inside the island, there's a dishwasher. And on this side of the island, it's continuous. We have a full range. It's a GE monogram range. 6 burners, or I guess there's some more here. Griddle. And look at this huge bench. Massive. It clearly is big enough for this whole stove. Okay, moving to this side, we have all this beautiful cabinetry. The tile is thoughtfully laid. And again, the white quartz countertop with the gray veins in it is kind of a taupey gray cabinetry color that all pulls together so nicely. The double ovens. This is kind of a convection oven, microwave oven too. And the walk-in pantry. The nice refrigerator freezer combination. And again, the nice tile on the side of the kitchen. You can see everything is so open. We have the accent ceiling with the recessed lighting. This house is charming. Over here in the open area, we have the powder room. Kind of cozy. I'm going to point out these two. We have a coat closet here on this side. And on this side, we have a storage closet with the smart electronics in it. Okay, moving along back to the front of the house. We have a full bath. In the very front of the house, it has the gray tones with the white quartz countertop, dual sinks. And at the very front of the house, again, we have the windows at the front of the house. We have a bedroom, and this bedroom is approximately 12 by 12. Colorful paint job. Has a walk-in closet and a lot of natural light. And straight across from it, we have another bedroom. And this bedroom is 12 by well. It also has a walk-in closet. And again, both of these bedrooms that we just saw, this one including, share the bath, the full bath. Okay, moving along. It's beautiful. Okay, over to the right. Again, we have the bar, wet bar. The laundry room is the garage door. Can't go in it, it's locked. Oh, can't go in it. Here's a garage, beautiful. Epoxy floor, isn't that thoughtful? A little bit of storage over here. 2-car garage, very pretty. So we're going to this laundry room. The laundry room actually is attached to the primary bedroom. So there's the laundry room has its own sink. And a folding table. And we're moving into one of the closets in the primary bedroom. So it's attached, it's kind of cute. So everybody has access to it from one door, and then the primary bedroom has access to the laundry room as well from another door. So this is one of the closets. And now we have closet number 2, again in the primary bedroom. Fully built out, and it is lovely. To the right is a water closet. So this primary bathroom, I should say, I'm sorry, is a shower only. It does have a frame. It's very pretty. Kind of the gray and off-white tones. And the dual sinks with the taupe color quartz countertops. In the primary bedroom. Primary bedroom has asymmetrical ceilings, has its own sliding glass door too. Beautiful. Okay. This concludes our tour of this Plan 1 model. Again, it's a tri-point collection and it's called the Overlook, and we're in Summerlin, but this is called the Red Point part of Summerlin. And this particular model, again, as a recap, is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. It's 2,722 square feet, and the base price is $1,038,000. So if you're interested in this home, or you want information on it, or any of the homes in my video tours, please contact me with my information below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos. Thank you.